Hi, I'm going to show you how to make some thin stacker resin rings just like this. For this quick and easy project you will need a resin mould, an opaque pigment, a mixing bowl, stirring stick, safety gloves and some wet and dry sandpaper. So the first thing you need to do is measure out your resin. I'm using a clear epoxy resin which is 2:1. So I'm going to do 10 mils of part B and then add in 20 of part A. So to mix your two parts together, just use a slow figure of 8 motion, going round and round. I'd recommend you mix for 2 to 3 minutes to make sure the two parts are perfectly combined. I use a opaque colour, which is rose pink from Resonate. So just pop a little bit of your colour, whatever you're using, on your stick and mix it in to your resin. I'm mixing mine completely through because we're going for a solid colour. Now I've just got these moulds which you can buy on eBay or Amazon, and they're just for a plain band. So it's just a really simple ring and you can kind of stack them up, wear them with rings you've already got, and they're just really nice and easy to wear. They're so thin that you can kind of just drip the resin in, kind of just going around the edge and just letting the resin fall down. So that's it, I've poured the resin into all my moulds. You might get some little bubbles pop up and you can just use a lighter, like a long barbecue one. I've got a tiny blowtorch here and you can just use that to pop any little bubbles that might have popped up. And then we've just got to be really patient and leave these to go hard. So the next stage is just to pop your rings out of their moulds, and you'll notice that one side is really smooth where it's been in the mould and one side has got this kind of rough edge. So I'll just show you now how to sand that down. So the final step is grab yourself some sandpapers, something like this, wet and dry sandpaper, running from the lowest number rough to smooth, and sand that side of your ring until it's smooth and shiny. Then finally give your ring a bit of a buff. And there you go, you've made a resin ring. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that quick tutorial on how to make a thin resin ring. If you give it a go, let me know in the comments or come and find me on Instagram. And have fun with it. If I can do it, why can't you?